Hi there. I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing. We've reached 500 subscribers, and this is totally awesome. And I can't thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are great, and I love you guys. I made these slimes especially for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I wanted to do a couple shout outs. Actually, it's a long list of shout outs. I've wanted to do it for a while, so let's get to it. Here we go. DIY Paletta. Slime Man, Isabella Stress, Connor, Haley, Raquel Alfonso, Noman Batusian, my Harry Potter buddy, Yvette Andrew Hopkins and Mr. Satisfying, thank you for your videos. They're very, very sweet. Cherry Cola, Mad Dog 21, Emma and Sean, Vivi's Videos, The Dinosaur Cat, Lauren Pendleton, Maya Moonicorn, Kenzie Cole, Cora and Kayla, Serena Owen, Fancy the Table Thingy, F Moo Fan, Katie's Cool Creations, Madison Hodge, Cat Plays, Diamond and Selena, Yo, it's Vanilla, happy birthday, Kitty Cat, Sebastian 489, Slime Potato, thank you for all your comments, Mitt Monkey, Maya's Land Forever, Lee Thompson, Elise Davis, Tangita's DIY Club, Nork Defender, Aesthetics Edits, Sarah Waller, ASMR Spirits, Cutie Corn, Joey Brewer, Jessica DS, McNail 23 MC, Gigi's Squad, Midgety the Giraffe, Lauren Rexa, Baby Queen Kenzie, Miley Griffin, Family Computer, Awesome Chica 101, Carlos is cool of course, Isabel Share, Antiseptic Eye, Elisa Marcella, Miley Griffin. Okay, that's the list. I'm so sorry if I messed up any of your names. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys. You guys are wonderful. I wouldn't be here without you. I'm really, really grateful that you guys are a part of my journey.